Well, there you go, my friends. That's some of the joys of working by yourself. So I don't have an exact weight on this log, but I'm gonna put it in right at about 3,000 pounds. The machine can handle it fine. We are 35 and a half, maybe 36 wide, 36 high. The challenge will be, I got 46 to right here, so I'm gonna try to get it to 45. This is what I learned on that silver maple log. You remember the silver maple log? I'll link up to it there so you remember it. Anyways, so it's in there 45, so I'm gonna have to come in right about here and cut that off, which isn't gonna be that big of a deal. We will do that. We'll go grab a saw and then we can do that. Pro tip, you know what? Clean your workspace up and don't have all your scrap sitting there, and get rid of your sawdust, and that's not fun. Milling logs is fun, so that's what we do. All right, chainsaw time. Kind of fun banging out a log that's been in the yard for under an hour. Well, there you go. We got this one banged out. All 12 quarter. I did a couple of them at 10 quarter and a bunch of little 4 quarter over there. That'll just go on a different pallet. Hot dog cool. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna build another slab skid tomorrow, and we're gonna put that in another video. stacking this bad boy up and getting it ready to air dry. But hey, thanks for watching. Salvage log. Thanks for Tim for reaching out and seeing if this log could be saved. The answer is yes, salvaging is good. I thought I was gonna get, actually I did. You know, urban log salvage, one of the things that you always have to worry about is how many bird feeders they hung up. And it looks like only one, but I actually didn't hit the nail. There's the other side, just a little bit of the rust mark. So hey, that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.